Well, here's another try from Amazon. We'll see if this works well. This is a new lock actuator for the rear driver's side door. The problem with this is that the unlock for the unlock doesn't work at all. So right now it's unlocked. If I pull it out, it will not actually work if it's locked. So if I locked it and then pull it out, it will not do anything. Same thing with using the key fob. If it's locked, it will not unlock. So it's the same issue as the other side. The other side has the same problem too. So I have to reach out here, pull this up, and then release this handle. So I think the problem is that the motor actuator. I think the problem is the motor actuator. Basically, yep. I think here is broken. So yep. I don't know where is it. I think this is where it's connected. Yeah. I think this is the one. Yep. So there's like a cable in here, I think. We'll see later. I think there's probably here. Yeah, one of the motor actuator there is broken. So same thing as usual. We're gonna remove the panel. Here, 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 and this one. So got the switch out and bolts in here, and lock in here, and then time to pry this out. Yep, there are no screws, just pry it out. Okay, so in order to remove this lock actuator, we're gonna remove the clip, this yellow clip in here. I think you can reach it by probably just see which side is it. I think this side. Yep. Yep. Once you open it, it will, I think, just one rod. There's another rod there, but we'll just take this one out first, and then we'll see. Yep. So removing the 3 torque screws. Yep, there's 3 of them. Okay, so I got it out. It's already, the screws are loose. And then so there's one rod that's still there, and then the electrical connector. Yep, there's electrical connector there that we need to take out. Need a flat head to pull up that brown plastic, and then it will release. So let me do that. And okay, I have to finagle this rod to be out, and then one of the clips for the wires. I took it out from this hole. Now this is exposed, so I could actually like pull out the plug, and then I could maneuver this out. That's out. Yep, you just like pry it up. So just be careful though, because some of this basically they will just break that plastic. Okay, so this looks identical. Yep. So we're gonna transfer that inner door handle cable to this one over here. I'm gonna move this this rod over here too. Yep. So first we're going to move this, because this is easy. Let me see how you could maneuver this. I'll try both. Now for the other one, you just like clamp this out, and that should get released. paste. So got the cable in, just snap it. Yep, there you go. Now it's ready to be put back in. Okay, after so much time spent on finagling this one, I was able to put it in proper position. Yep, so I'm ready to put the connector back in. Now it's time to put in the rod. Let me see if I could put my phone in there, but it's a tight squeeze. So yep, so there's like a slot for the rod there, and then you just clip it. If it will not clip, then it's not aligned properly. Okay, so it should be in this place. I don't know why it's not clicking, but it should click ugly. Yeah, something's wrong. Crappy Amazon parts. So major failure on this kind of clips. I think the rod is way too big for this hole. So whenever I try to clip it, it will not clip. And this one is really hard to unclip. So what I did is I reused the old one, the original one, and then I had it there installed there. Yep, that one is easy to unclip. So I'm going to see if I could put my camera in there. Yep, I'm gonna fish it out, put the rod in, and then clip it. Yeah, see that? It's just easy. Yep, and when I move the handle, yep, it's just solid. Time to test it. Works. Open. Open. It's not. We lock. Then lock. We'll try locking it. Yep. Unlock. There you go. Now it works.